Raising a dispute with Experian involves correcting inaccurate information on your credit report. Here's a step-by-step guide. Obtain your credit report. First, request a copy of your credit report from Experian. You can do this online through their website or by mail. Review your report. Carefully review your credit report to identify any inaccuracies or items you wish to dispute. Access the dispute section. Go to the Experian website and navigate to the dispute section. You can also start a dispute by calling their customer service. Choose a dispute method. You can dispute online, by phone or by mail. Online is the fastest method. Log into your Experian account and select Dispute an item from the options. Enter dispute details. Select the item you wish to dispute and provide a detailed explanation of why it is inaccurate. Attach any supporting documentation, such as payment receipts or correction letters. Submit the dispute. Review your dispute details and submit the form. If disputing by mail, send your dispute letter and documentation to Experian's address provided on their website. Receive confirmation. After submitting your dispute, you'll receive a confirmation notice. Experian will investigate the issue, typically within 30 days. Check results. Monitor your credit report for updates. Experian will inform you of the results of their investigation and any charges made to your credit report.